Hey, welcome to our first demo of the Wellsaid VoiceOver and Adobe Premiere Pro. In this extension, once it's been installed, you'll be able to get to our landing page here. You'll get to try different variations of content that you can create with Wellsaid. So we have here podcast, training modules, and social media, and you can also play around with the others. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my account. Okay, now that I'm logged in, I can see all of the projects that are within my studio account. So I have my personal, my shared, which will be any of my teammates who share it with me, and as well as any team projects. Since I'm the only contributor on this current project, I'm going to go ahead and just stick to my personal here. And for this video, I have it for my October ad here. I can go ahead and click in. And I have all of the clips that are associated with this project that I would be using for this current video here. So if I ever wanted to give it a listen prior to inputting it, I could just go ahead and play. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and just insert this clip right directly into my timeline sequence. All right, and then just like that, I have my audio file already inserted into my project, and I can just go ahead and continue doing that for the others as well. Another neat feature that you can do is like if you decide you want to continue working on this project, you can go ahead and it'll open it up in Studio, and then you can return back to the app and just hit this refresh icon, and you'll be able to see your newly created clips there as well. We also have some settings as well if there was anything in particular that was specific to your workflow. So here we have file form. We have it defaulted to WAV files since they are higher quality, but you can always decide which one you'd like to use. And then also you can choose your default clip location. I personally prefer a cursor location as I'm creating my project, but you can also decide how you want to do it as well.